Darrell, my friend, we are at Adept Manufacturing and Gauging today, and I'm so happy to spend time with you because you've been in this industry a long time, and we get to have you on camera to talk a little bit about relationships and consultancy with Methods Machine Tools. So from there, I'll let you take it away. I'll let you talk to me, talk to the audience about some of those details as we create that awareness with Methods Machine Tools here in Wisconsin.
Yes, well, I've been in manufacturing pretty much my whole life, over 40 years at this point, in distribution for over 20 now. And really it's about making sure you get the right fit for the customer on a machine tool. It's not about just putting a machine in. Is it the right fit? And if that happens all the time, you'll follow up with more equipment at that point and make your customer successful and yourself.
I like that you said that, and I'll tell you why, Darrell, because you first started off with, you've been in this industry in a while, and I've known that also. And it used to be a game of, let's just throw machines on the floor. They'll probably figure it out. You know, the generation that's soon to be retiring was quite wise when it came to figuring things out, right? But we're getting into an area now where turnkeys are so important. Being able to put a machine on the floor and have it running already. The consultancy side of things to make sure someone understands the difference between one machine to another machine and why an investment should be made based on a specific part or specific area of parts and sizes. Where can I best benefit my customer and client? And that's where you focus, isn't it?
Absolutely, exactly. You know, it's just like a car. It has four wheels, but they're all not the same. There's always a little bit of a difference between them. So we try to tailor fit, and with Methods, that is the nice thing. We're a very boutique type company, and we have the right fit, right machines for you.
You mentioned to me that you are a turning center guy.
Yeah.
And we're at Adept today, and you have a Nakamura
We got
here,
the knock in there.
He's actually using as a milling tool instead of a turning.
Which is great.
Which is great. But you mentioned also the Methods line. We're talking the KIWAs, the OKKs. We're standing in front of a RoboDrill with a cobot right now that Adept's getting ready to adapt. We have the Yasdas and the line of Methods machines as well. So it really is a great combination where you can walk into a customer and go, hey guys, what are you trying to work on? I can most likely help you because the range is high precision, high flexibility, high accuracy, everything that goes along with how can I best support you, the customer.
Exactly. Our builders, like a KIWA, all they make is horizontals. All Nakamura makes are lathes. That's it. You know, it's a great fit that way versus other companies that are well-rounded. They will make any kind of machine for you. No, we specialize in certain machines, and it makes it better for the customer at the end of the day.
Agreed. Now, I want to dive into a little bit more of the consultancy side of things because I know in the Chicago area, the Methods team has a full turnkey center and a massive amount of inventory, which supports the region really well. And I know that you've been doing this for quite a while, so you've seen quite a bit. So when we talk to the audience and say, hey, give me a buzz, give me a shout, and let's talk to the consultancy side, because you can quite literally walk into a shop, sit down with someone and go, oh, wow, I've seen this part before, and this is where we had our successes and failures, and this is what we've come up with. That's where that wisdom comes into play, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just, you know, tribal knowledge. You've learned things over the years. Not the smartest, but I've seen it. So you just learn from that and go from there.
Yeah, I agree. Now, we should take the last part of this conversation and talk about Star Wars, because we know how much of the audience loves Star Wars, but we're not going to do that today. We're going to end this conversation now, and we'll go off camera to talk about Star Wars.
Very good. I appreciate the time. Thank you.
Yes, of course. So for everyone watching, this is my buddy Darrell. We are at Adept today. You can look them up as well in Wisconsin. Look Darrell up. Obviously, we know the Methods Machine Tool brand, and it is about supporting you. It's not about dropping machines on the floor anymore and saying, good luck, guys. This is about taking care of you and making sure you're up and running and being profitable and paying those bills and maybe even taking vacations from time to time for some of my machinist owners out there that never take vacations, right?
You got it. Exactly.
You've been doing this a long time as well. Thank you all for watching. And in the adventure of walking around the Adept shop and all the other videos we've done here, will you join me on a walk, Darrell?
I sure will.
Let's go,
Thank
buddy.
you.